Here's how to cancel an e-transfer with BNP Paribas. If the transfer hasn't been executed yet, you can cancel it directly from the Easy Banking app or Easy Banking web. Go to your account history, open the Scheduled section, select the transfer, and cancel it before the execution date. If the transfer has already been executed, it can't be canceled. In this case, you'll need to contact the beneficiary directly and ask for a refund. If you can't reach an agreement, you may request a fund recovery through BNP Paribas. Keep in mind, this service has a fee and doesn't guarantee the money will be returned. If the transfer was sent to a closed account, the funds are usually returned automatically within 10 working days. If not, contact the beneficiary to resolve the issue. For special cases, like rental guarantee accounts, contact the Easy Banking Center through the app or by phone. And that's how you can cancel or recover an e-transfer with BNP Paribas.